Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this video, we will learn how to add icons to menu items. To get latest tutorials and updates, please subscribe to TechSparks. Without any further delay, let's jump in and get kick-started. In our previous code, we have added three menu items and I have created an intent and will be navigating to a particular option select activity whenever a menu is selected. Now I will make a little change in this code to align our requirements. I will declare the menu intent on top of everything if class, and then I will start the intent inside the if else block. Let me just copy paste this code here, then here, and then here. I'll just align it. You can press Ctrl plus Alt plus L after selecting the whole document. It will get aligned. Now let us navigate to the menu XML page. It will be under menu folder options menu.xml. It is very easy to add an icon to a menu item. You just have to add an attribute icon and give the value of the attribute as the drawable or the image or the SVG vector that we have. I have already downloaded few SVGs for our requirement. If you want to know how to convert an SVG into a drawable, check out my previous video. I will leave the link in the description. Similarly, add the icon attribute to the home item and make it as show as actions. Show as actions will show our menu items on the top if there is space available on the toolbar. If else, it will show in the below like this. So let me quickly run this particular code to see how it looks. I'll also show how it looks when we add multiple items. Even though we have show as item if room, these items will be shown in a drop down after clicking on the three dots only. Now the build is happening. Let me just fast forward it. Now the build has completed. You can see the login, home, and the other new item over here. If you click on login, it will take you to the options menu activity, where it will show home or text, whatever we have given assigned it. You can see the difference. Now let me just add few more items to show you the difference, how it looks when we add this attribute show as actions if room. I'm adding multiple homes over here. So if I'm showing the demo in a Pixel phone, Pixel emulator, if it is a big tablet or bigger screen, the icons, if there is a room, they will show up in the toolbar itself, or else it will show it in the drop down like this. Let us see how does it look. As you can see, other home activities, even though there is no room, they are coming in the option, but every functionality will be the same. That's all for this video.